Choosing the perfect wall TV mount is a very essential factor for making your viewing experience very comfortable and flexible. With newer mounts offering stronger steel construction, ultra-slim profiles, full motion flexibility, and wider VISA compatibility than ever, the right choice makes all the difference in comfort and safety. To find you create a cleaner, more immersive setup, here are the top 5 best wall TV mounts, which are selected based on durability, ease of installation, adjustability, and overall value. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the ELIVED 14 to 42-inch mount. The ELIVED UL listed full motion TV and monitor wall mount is the best budget-conscious pick for motion flexibility and reliability, and a clean setup for smaller TVs or monitors. It's equipped for 14 to 42-inch screens, supports up to 44 pounds, and works seamlessly with VISA patterns from 75 by 75 millimeters to 200 by 200 millimeters, making it an excellent match for TVs and monitors, including popular options like the Samsung Smart Monitor M7. You'll love the unique plus or minus 90 degrees rotation and swivel design, which lets you switch effortlessly between landscape and portrait mode. Whether you're watching videos, working, coding, or displaying vertical content, this mount adapts instantly. On top of that, the plus or minus 90-degree swivel gives you full room coverage, so you always get the best angle from any spot. For even more comfort, you can tilt the screen plus 5 degrees or minus 10 degrees to reduce glare and eye strain. The strong articulating arm extends smoothly up to 14.8 inches and retracts back to just 2.7 inches from the wall, helping you save space while keeping your setup looking sleek and modern. This mount also doubles as an ergonomic monitor solution. Positioning your screen at eye level helps reduce neck pain and eye fatigue while freeing up valuable desk space, perfect for home offices, studios, kitchens, or bedrooms. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. You get a complete mounting hardware kit and clear step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. It installs securely on single wood studs or concrete and brick walls. Just avoid drywall-only mounting. And if you need concrete anchors, support is just a message away. If you want a compact, smooth-moving, and ultra-versatile wall mount that feels premium and practical, the ELIVED full-motion TV and monitor mount is a standout choice. The 4th product on our list is the USX Mount XMM016 Mount. The USX Mount full-motion TV wall mount is one of the best wall TV mounts for living rooms and spaces where viewing angle flexibility matters. It's designed for 26 to 60-inch TVs and supports up to 77 pounds, making it perfect for most modern LED, LCD, and smart TVs. You'll get excellent universal compatibility, with VISA patterns from 75 by 75 millimeters up to 400 by 400 millimeters, all built from high-quality steel and UL, listed for added peace of mind. The unique single stud and corner-friendly design makes this mount ideal for tight spaces where traditional mounts just don't work. What really elevates your viewing experience is the full motion adjustability. You can tilt plus 8 degrees or 5 degrees to reduce glare, swivel up to plus or minus 90 degrees for wide-angle viewing, and fine-tune the screen with plus or minus 4 degrees leveling for perfect alignment. Whether you're watching from the couch, bed, or kitchen, you'll always find the most comfortable angle. Despite its flexibility, this mount keeps your setup clean and compact. It extends up to 15.75 inches when you need to reach and retracts to just 2.05 inches from the wall for a sleek, space-saving look. Built-in Velcro cable management keeps wires organized and out of sight. Installation is quick and stress-free, with clear instructions and pre-labeled hardware included. And with US-based customer support and a 10-year service promise, help is always available if you need it. If you want smooth movement, rock-solid security, and the freedom to watch from anywhere in the room, the USX Mount TV wall mount delivers premium performance at a smart price. The 3rd product on our list is the Home Vision 26 to 65-inch mount. The Home Vision fixed TV wall mount is the best DIY-friendly mount for easy installation and strong performance that will keep your TV secure and beautifully flush against the wall. It's made for 26 to 65-inch flat or curved TVs and supports up to 99 pounds, making it ideal for most modern LED, LCD, OLED, and even plasma TVs. You get wide universal compatibility with VESA patterns from 100 by 100 millimeters to 400 by 400 millimeters, so it works seamlessly with popular brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, TCL, Vizio, Hisense, Philips, Roku TVs, and more. If your TV is VESA compatible, chances are this mount will fit it perfectly. What really makes this mount stand out is its ultra-slim, low-profile design. With the TV sitting just 1 inch from the wall, your setup looks sleek, modern, and almost like a built-in display. It's a huge space saver and perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or anywhere you want a clean, clutter-free look. You'll also love the quick-release strap system. It lets you easily lock or unlock your TV without needing to reach behind the screen, making maintenance and cable adjustments fast and hassle-free. Installation is simple and beginner-friendly, with clear instructions that let you finish the job in about 30 minutes. It mounts securely on 16-inch wood studs or concrete and brick walls. Just avoid drywall-only installation. This mount is backed by over 10 years of mounting expertise and reliable customer support. This fixed wall mount delivers safety, simplicity, and style in one solid package. If you want your TV to sit flush, look premium, and stay rock solid, the Home Vision TV wall mount is a smart and stylish upgrade for your home. The second product on our list is the Pipishell 26 to 74-inch mount. The Pipishell Full Motion TV Wall Mount is one of the best heavy-duty motion mounts for large screens and households, which you can pick if you want a secure, flexible, and premium home entertainment setup. It's built to handle 26 to 74-inch TVs, including LED, LCD, OLED, QLED, and 4K models, while supporting up to an impressive 99 pounds with total confidence. You'll appreciate the universal compatibility, with VESA patterns ranging from 100 by 100 millimeters to 400 by 400 millimeters, making it a perfect fit for most modern TVs. Whether you're mounting on 12 or 16-inch wood studs, concrete or brick walls, this mount gives you reliable and safe installation. Just don't install it on drywall alone. The full motion adjustability really elevates your viewing experience. You can tilt +5 degrees forward or -15 degrees backward to reduce glare, swivel plus or -45 degrees left or right to cover multiple seating positions, and fine-tune the screen with plus or -3 degrees leveling for a perfectly straight display every time. Despite its strength, this mount keeps your space looking clean and modern. It extends up to 15.34 inches when you need flexibility and folds back to just 3.98 inches from the wall to save space. This makes it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or any setup with multiple viewing angles. Installation is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Everything you need comes in the box, including standard mounting hardware, a 3-axis magnetic bubble level, and a clear instruction manual. The heavy-gauge steel construction, dual articulating arms, and built-in safety locks ensure your TV stays exactly where it belongs. If you want a wall mount that combines strength, smooth movement, and a polished look, the Pipishell TV wall mount is a top-tier choice that truly upgrades your viewing experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the monTEK 13 to 43-inch mount. The monTEK Full Motion TV Wall Mount is the best overall TV mount for minimalist rooms, with a clean and flexible design that you can choose. If you want a clean, flexible, space-saving, and professional-looking setup, it can be the right element for you. It's designed to give you total control over how and where you watch. Whether you're mounting a TV or a monitor, you get wide compatibility right out of the box. This mount supports 13 to 43-inch TVs and monitors, with VESA patterns from 75 by 75 millimeters up to 200 by 200 millimeters, and holds up to 44 pounds with confidence. It works perfectly with popular brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, Vizio, and more, as long as your screen is VESA compatible. You can securely install it on single wood studs or concrete walls for maximum stability. What really makes this mount shine is the full motion flexibility. You can tilt +5 degrees to -15 degrees to reduce glare, swivel up to plus or -90 degrees for perfect side-angle viewing, and even rotate from landscape to portrait for productivity or vertical content. With an extension range of 2.6 inches to 14.6 inches, you'll always find your ideal viewing position. You'll also love how clean your setup looks. The built-in cable management keeps wires hidden and organized, while the slim design lets you push the TV back close to the wall when not in use, perfect for small rooms or corner setups. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly, with all hardware and clear instructions included. Built from heavy-duty steel and tested at 4 times the maximum load, this mount delivers rock-solid safety and long-term reliability. If you want a sleek, adjustable, and ultra-secure wall mount, the monTEK full-motion TV mount is an easy win for your setup. That's all for our list of the top 5 best wall TV mounts on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.